Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Skout application on your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to download Skout application on your mobile device, go tap open your Play Store for your Android device and you can tap open your App Store for your iOS. Go to the search box at the top and tap it on. Now in the search box, search for Skout Skout and make your search. From the search result, you'll be able to see the application displayed on the screen. Simply tap the install button to start the download process for the application. Skout is the developer of a location-based social networking and dating application and website. It is available for both Android and iOS operating systems. It was also known as one of the first dating and mobile people discovery applications to emphasize generalized user location. Your download process may take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure to be connected to a strong internet that is working and is fast. Once the application is downloaded, wait for it to install on your device. After the application has been installed, simply tap the app open, and that is how you can easily download Skout application on your mobile device. This is the first interface for Skout. You can log in with an email, your Facebook, your mobile phone, and even with your Apple ID. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.